really have an intro yet, but like, hey gang, hey team. What's up lads? Welcome back to my channel, I guess. If you guys haven't seen lately on social media, this TV show called EUPHORIA has taken the internet by storm. I love her makeup that's on the show, so today I've decided to join the bandwagon and film, like, I guess a tutorial? Not really. Of me doing one of the looks inspired by EUPHORIA. I'll probably put a couple of images around here somewhere if I can figure out my editing program. If not, then it'll just be like, I'll be gone for a second and you'll just see a photo and then I'll come back. So yeah, my look is inspired by Maddie's makeup look, I guess. I like Maddie, she's one of my favourite characters. Haven't finished it yet, so like please don't spoil it down below because I'll be really upset. But yeah, I'm just gonna get straight into it. So like first things first, I'm priming my face with this Mario Badescu oil-free moisturiser. I should probably use a primer, but like this just works with my skin, so I'm using that instead. And I will put it everywhere. Also, like, I'm really sorry if you can hear like traffic noise. I live right next to a main road. There's actually nothing I can do about it. So unfortunately we're gonna have to live with that and pray that it stops. So I've just primed my face and I'm just gonna go straight into doing the eye makeup because I've discovered it's quite messy and it's easier to just do the eyes first and the eyebrows rather than doing foundation and then the rest. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm just putting it on my eyelids to get rid of any like veins and stuff on my eyes. I think it gives a more even base, and I'm also going to be setting up with some powder. Okay, now that I've set up my eyelids, I'm going into my James Charles palette. I don't have the shade names anymore because like I'm really unorganised. I'm just taking like these 4 blue shades and mostly mixing this one here and this one down here to create sort of the blue wing that you can see. I don't have any blue eyeliner, so it's not going to be like exactly the same, but I'm also taking it on this tiny detail brush and using my tiny ass mirror so I can get up close. So like, I'm really enjoying EUPHORIA so far. I'm on the 5th episode, I think. And yeah, Maddie and I think Maddie and Rue are my favourite characters so far, definitely. Oh, and Jules as well, obviously. I honestly, I love all of them, but those 3 are my favourite. I do really like Jules' makeup. I definitely want to recreate that as well. So like, I've got a wing out here, and then I'm going to like sort of bring it in towards like my crease. I'm not really a beauty guru, so it sort of looks like that. So like, I've got a story time kind of to tell during this video because like, I was meant to be drunk in a field at Reading Festival about a week ago today, but I went home by Friday. Yeah, I basically wasted like £220 plus whatever else I'd spent actually there in the first couple of days because I got there on the Wednesday. Basically, I hate camping, apparently. Like, I'd never gone camping before, decided to just do it at Reading Festival and I hated it, and I was like feeling like shit. I just wanted to come home. And it got to the point where I was like, I don't even care about the money that I've wasted at this point, just get me home. So I decided to go home. Do I regret it? Not really. Like, it hurts that I missed out on like the acts that I really wanted to see and like I wasted money, but honestly I'd rather that than feel like shit at a festival for any longer, because I was like woken up at like 5 in the morning by people talking about conspiracy theories, and I don't really need to hear that at 5 in the morning. Basically, in short, I'm a princess. I like my comfort. So I've done like the blue bit in the eyes, and now I'm going into this Revolution palette that I have. I think it's called Midas Touch. I don't know. I'm taking this shade here. It's Luxe. I think it looks like the one that Maddie has. Well, similar to the one that Maddie has on in the lid here. And honestly, because I'm disgusting, I'm just taking it on my finger and then closing my eyes and hoping for the best. Honestly, like, I'm not a makeup guru. Everyone's like, wow, can you do my makeup? It looks so good. And like, I get compliments for it all the time at work, and I'm like, I actually don't know how to do makeup. I kind of just take a guess and hope for the best, and it sometimes works out. So I've got like that going right now. I need to kind of get it in the blue bit, but okay, so the eyes are done. I think I kind of nailed it. I don't know, I'm not like great at makeup, like whatever. I'm just gonna do my brows and my foundation off camera, and then I'll be back to do like some like last minute details, I guess. I don't think there's any point in doing my brows and foundation on camera. It's like brows and foundation, and it's a Euphoria makeup look, so I don't think it's very relevant. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. Okay, as you can see, I've just done my eyebrows and my foundation, and now I'm back to like kind of finish the look up on camera, because I have some ideas about like what to add. That's kind of like Euphoria vibes. So first of all, I'm again taking this little blue detail brush, and I'm just gonna like kind of blend like the tiniest bit of blue underneath my eyes, like along the waterline, like that. Like, not too much, but enough so it's like there. I guess it kind of like darkens it up a bit. I don't know, it adds a little bit, I think. So I'm taking this like bluish purplish shade on this highlighter brush. It's the Real Techniques 402. Pretty sure it's a contour brush, but like whatever. And I'm just gonna like put that along my cheeks. Then I'm going to take some mascara for my lashes underneath. Obviously my top ones don't really need anything because I've got eyelash extensions. So I'm just taking this. Honestly, it's just a generic one because I'm cheap and I don't really care about mascara and eyeliner, so I always buy like the cheapest ones. So I'm just taking this really cheap collection mascara. It probably cost me £1. And I'm just going to like do my lashes. And then last but not least, the lips. Now in Euphoria, I feel like, I don't know if it's just me, like I could just be making this up, but I feel like it's quite like nude lips with like gloss, a lot of gloss. I don't know, I've seen that on like other makeup kind of videos, I've seen it on Euphoria, I guess, and I feel like a dark nude with lip gloss over it would kind of like suit this look. For my lips, I'm taking the shade Leo from the Jeffree Star Mini Nudes collection, and I'm overlining my lips slightly with that. Then I was going to take my Jeffree Star lip gloss as well, but I can't find that, so I'm just going to take a clear lip gloss and top it off on top of my lipstick. So that's the lipstick. Obviously I messed up like a little bit, as you probably saw in that, whatever. We all make mistakes sometimes. I'm just taking this generic clear lip gloss. It's whatever. It's one of those basic ones. It does the trick. And I'm literally, obviously you can tell I've used it for the same purpose before. I'm literally just topping my lips off with this. Now I'm taking my finger and like, so I don't get any more lipstick on my teeth. So yeah, this is like the finished look, inspired by Maddie from Euphoria. Ignore my little foundation for all of that. I haven't like really worn like sort of Maddie style clothes. I don't know, if you guys want to see like a Euphoria lookbook though, like let me know, like I'd be more than happy to do that. Here's like a close-up of the look. So if you guys have enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate it if you could leave a like down below. Also subscribe if you're new and you're stumbling across my channel, because I'm just getting back into the swing of making YouTube videos again after like 2 years. So also sorry if I'm kind of boring at the moment. I guess I'm trying to just figure out what style of content I want to do. And if you're already subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you could click the bell down below, because obviously you'll get notifications when I post a new video, which is hopefully at least once a week now. I don't know when I'm going to post this one, but hopefully a few days after I film this. So yeah, if you guys have enjoyed, well, I'll see you in the next video. Also, check out my previous video here. It's very cool, you know. I really enjoyed filming it. I don't know, whatever video comes up here. If you could check this one out. And also, my little button to subscribe should be here. So if you're not subscribed, click this button or the one down below. The choice is yours. You've got plenty of choice. So I'll see you guys in the next video.